Hey, what's up? Joel Ketty here. Just wanted to drop another sneak peek at the latest update for Closebot version 2. This is the Comet release, and there's some really cool stuff, but let me just show you one really cool thing that they've added in, and it is the ability to literally just write what you want the bot to do, describe your bot, and it will build it for you. Let's take a look at how that works. All right, so we've already got everything set up that we need in place. Now we're going to go ahead and create a new bot. So I'm actually going to skip adding a source, and this is where you tell it how you want to start the bot. So you can create it from scratch. You can use a built-in template, or you can use a custom template, and that's where you're going to prompt it to build the bot using AI. And in the future, there's actually going to be a marketplace where you're going to be able to share bots that you've created, sell bots, etc. So we're going to take a look at the custom template. I've just done this in ChatGPT. I've created a prompt for a bot for our VA services at VA Hub Pro, and I just prompted ChatGPT with what I wanted, and it created a framework prompt. So acting as an interactive VA service qualifier, qualifying the service, needing assessment, budget and availability, collecting info, and then final step is booking a call if they qualify. So let's see what happens. This is the first time I'm testing this. You're testing it right here along with me. Let's see what happens with our prompt here. Now it does take a few minutes to build, so I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead in the video to when it's been finished. All right, so the bot is done. Let's take a look at what is created here. All right, so it does create everything in line, so you can actually come in here and move everything around and make it look more beautiful. But what do we have here? So we've got an AI statement, greet the contact, briefly explain that we offer virtual assistant services, specialized GHL help, and we'd like to learn more about their needs. Then we're going to qualify the service, ask if they need help with general VA, specialized GHL, or something else. Then we go into an AI branch. Does the contact need general VA support? So let's spread this out a little bit so we can see what all the branches are doing here. So it's completely built this on its own. I did not have this in place yet. I'm just going to spread these out a little bit so we get a better idea of what is going on. So we've got our AI branch. Do they need general VA support? If so, go up here and we're going to assess their needs for general VAs. If not, these are kind of true and false statements here. So they don't need general VA support. Do they need specialized GHL support? True or false? So let's move these around here. We'll keep true up top. So yes, they do. We're going to go up here and ask about specific GHL tasks they need assistance with: automations, funnels, campaign management. Then we're going to ask for any other needs. I'm just going to spread these out a little bit more. Then we're going into budget and availability. We told it we needed that. Contact info collecting, get their full name, email, and phone number. Qualification check, checking to see if they qualify. And if they do qualify, going into a booking. You can actually prompt this if you know the calendar ID. You can give the calendar ID in the prompt and it'll paste that right in here so it connects it to your GHL calendar. So we've got, is the contact qualified and ready to book? If so, we're going to go to our booking step here. And if not, we're going to say, thanks for your time. We'll reach out with more info, testimonials, etc. Feel free to let us know when you are ready. So it's not perfect, but look at what it built in literally, I think it took actually less than a minute to build it. So pretty cool. You can come in here and you can tweak it. You can remove stuff, move stuff around, but it gives you a really great starting point. A few things just right off the bat that I would probably change. I think this info collection, maybe I wasn't totally clear in my prompt. We generally need to pull those out into separate objectives. So gathering their name and then outputting it to the correct variables for HighLevel. And then the other thing I think right off the bat I would probably change is not having the booking step go to that statement where it's thanking them for their time when it's the same statement from not qualifying. So again, it's not perfect, but man, being able to create that in a minute, just telling it what you want, and it's built an incredible bot workflow, a little bit of tweaking, and it's ready to go. If you want to get in on ClosedBot, V2. It's going to be launching, I believe, around the end of March, but pricing is going up with the launch of V2. So if you want to get in at the lower pricing, get in now, one, so you can lock in your pricing. Even if you don't use the bots yet, you're going to be locked in at a lower price before V2 launches. And I also have a coupon to save you $300 off your first month. Or if you get the annual pass, you'll also get $300 off your annual pricing. So just hit me up and I'll get you that code. And happy bot building.